Today, I'll show you how to add tags to Substack posts step by step so your newsletter is easier for readers to find and explore. We'll start right from the Substack homepage, create a new article, and then walk through exactly where and how to add tags before you send it out. First, open your browser and go to substack.com. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log into your account so you can access your publication dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see the main interface where you can manage your posts and settings. Next, look for the option to create something new. This is usually labeled Create near the top or side of the page. Go ahead and click on Create. This is your starting point anytime you want to publish a new piece of writing on Substack, whether it's a regular newsletter, a post, or another type of content. After you click Create, you'll be asked what you want to create. Choose Article. This tells Substack you're about to write a standard post or newsletter that can be sent to your email list and shown on your publication site. Clicking Article will open up the editor where you'll do all your writing and formatting. In the editor, you'll see fields for your title and subtitle at the top. Start by adding a clear, descriptive title. This is what your readers will see first, both in their inbox and on your site. Right below that, you can add a subtitle. The subtitle is optional, but it's a great place to briefly explain what the article is about or to add a hook that encourages people to keep reading. Taking a moment to write a strong title and subtitle will make your post more appealing and easier to understand at a glance. Once your title and subtitle are set, move down into the main body area and start writing your article. You can type directly into the editor, paste in content you wrote elsewhere, and use the formatting options to add headings, links, and other elements. As you write, it can help to keep your tags in mind. Think about the main topics, themes, or categories you're covering. These ideas will become your tags later on and will help organize your posts for readers. When you're happy with your draft and you've double-checked for typos, scroll to the top or bottom of the editor and click Continue. This takes you to the next screen where you'll set up how and when your post is delivered. It's a good habit to pause here and quickly review the preview just to make sure everything looks the way you expect. On the next screen, you'll see a few sending options. Select Send to Everyone Now. This means your post will go out immediately to all of your subscribers and be published on your site at the same time. If you prefer scheduling, you could choose a different option, but for this walkthrough, we're focusing on sending it right away. Before you actually send, this is where you add tags. Look for the section labeled Tags or something similar. Click into that field and start typing the topics that best describe your post, such as the main subject, format, or series name. Substack may suggest existing tags as you type, and using consistent tags will keep your archive organized. Try to choose just a few focus tags that truly match your content rather than adding a long list. Once you've added your tags and everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. Click Send. Substack will now deliver your article to your subscribers and publish it with the tags you selected, making it easier for readers to browse related posts and for new readers to discover your work. That's all you need to do to add tags to a Substack post, from starting a new article to sending it out with the right tags attached.